My master always says we have to eat while we're eating, we have to work while we're working, but for some reason, every time we're cooking, preparing a meal, or even eating, we're thinking about the fight we had with someone, or the problems we have in our life, or the things we have to do tomorrow. And that charges our food with the wrong energy. And at the end of the day, that brings us to the manifestations of negative thoughts, things that we don't want to have. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing salad and also how to charge it with powerful method. So you charge your food, you eat it, you enjoy this tasty salad while you're getting healing and manifestation benefits from your food. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Karmic Energy, and it's going to bring you back a lot of beautiful miracles in your life because you're giving me love and I'm giving you love through this video. So subscribe, like, and share this video, and let's learn about manifestation every week together. Let's go make the salad. The food you put in your body gives you the energy frequency you need for manifesting your dream life or the opposite. So today I'm here in my kitchen to show you how I prepare food while I'm charging the food with healing powers and manifestation powers. So when we eat the food with my family, first of all, we heal our body with the power of this food using light working and all the methods that I use, which I show you here in this video. And also it helps us manifest our dreams because our body's energy is now aligned by putting this food in our body. I also teach you how I make this amazing salad, which is called Salad Shirazi. It's a Persian salad. Before we start, my name is Shadi Amiri. I'm a manifestation coach and I help people manifest their dream life in as early as 6 days. Most of the times, not always. If I have the time and if I can, because I also have a toddler, sometimes it's hard to keep up with this step, but I try to have my bracelets on because this is on my left hand. You might see this on my right hand because the camera is mirrored. This helps me align my own energy. This gives me the power that I need to my hands so I can do the proper light working on my food. But if you cannot wear your bracelets, if you don't have bracelets, if you don't like wearing bracelets, it's totally fine. You can still do the miracle on the food. Another thing I try to do, if I have the time to do it, is to sage my area using white sage and Palo Santo wood sticks. So I make sure the space has positive, clean energy while I'm cooking. So let's put this back here and let's get to our salad. The one thing that always people ask me, how do you make sure you create this energy alignment for your family? This is my number one method. I charge my food using the power of light. And when I say I charge it, it is not difficult. One of the clients of mine who joined my course like 3 years ago, at the time she joined the course because she was fighting cancer. The chances for her to survive was extremely low. So she joined the course hoping that she could heal herself, but she didn't have the time to go through all the modules because she was going through the therapy and the healing and all the things that she has to do, the treatments. The only things she did was charging her food and light working and full moon and new moon rituals. These are the only 3 things that she used, and she did like all the complete full moon and new moon rituals. If you watched my other videos before, you would know that this ritual is my life-changing ritual. I also do post the full moon ritual on my YouTube every single month. Not the complete one because the complete one is only for my online course, but it is good enough for you to keep your energies in a good level every single month and avoid the energy destroy by the full moons. It is magical how the doctors were in wow. They were like, how is it possible for this cancer to go away this fast? You can manifest true love, you can manifest wealth, money, you can manifest anything you want by charging your food. What I do is that I imagine a beautiful rain shower of rainbow colored light. So when I say light, you want to imagine crystally light. Every color is in this rain. There is pink, there is green, there is white, there is purple, there is gold. So the 7 major colors that we imagine in this rainbowy rain is written here on the screen. The reason why we imagine rainbow colors is because it is important to get the benefit of all the lights to your food. You can use white light, you can use purple light, depending on the manifestation you're trying to achieve. I'm going to tell you all about it, but rainbowy shower is the best. Now let's go grab some fresh herb from my garden and let's come back here. We'll do it together. Let's go. So here is my fresh herb garden in my backyard. I brought this beautiful plant inside because today is extremely cold here in Canada. And not today, but this morning was very cold and this plant almost died. So I brought it in, I kissed it, I gave it so much love, and now it's back to life. I love it. So now I'm going to tell you about my own experience of what I manifested using light working and charging food. Mostly what you can manifest when you charge your food is abundance and health. And when you charge your food, the energies get much cleaner, and the energy you put in your body matches the frequency you're trying to match outside of your body, and it helps a lot faster. And you can use this on your water, on your morning coffee. I use it on my toddler's food. When I'm giving him his food, I always close my eyes. If you look on my Instagram, on my daily vlogs, you will see I close my eyes, I hold his food, I charge it. When I want to drink my morning coffee, I always do the same thing. My tea, like everything. And when I'm cooking, I usually try to charge it much stronger. The whole time as I'm talking to you right now, I'm imagining this light showering me. So the more you charge your food using the power of light, the more it's going to get charged. That's a good thing about doing it throughout the process of making your meal. You can resolve your arguments with your partner, with your family members using this food charging methods. One of my clients called me and she's like, something magical happened. I had a biggest fight with my husband, who normally doesn't forget it for 2 weeks or 3 weeks. It's always a problem for us when we start fighting because it has to go all the way to the place where we're both tired and I come to him and say sorry, and then everything will be resolved. But this time, what happened was that she used the power of light. So they had a big argument in the morning. And then as she was cooking for dinner, she started charging her food. As I told you, when you want to manifest something very specific, you use only one light. When you're not manifesting one thing, like big specific manifestation, you can use the colorful rainbow light. But she was trying to manifest love healing. So she used pink light all over her food as she was cooking. And her husband, after dinner, he came to her, he sat beside her, he held her, and he said, I don't want to continue fighting with you. And that's the most beautiful part of light working. What lights do you use in what situations? Here it comes. As we said, pink light for love healing, always, always. Green light for health and physical healing. So if someone is suffering from any kind of physical issues or challenges, you're going to use green light to charge your food for yourself and your family. And if your question is what shade of green I have to use, any shade that you can start imagining. So when you start imagining, one shade comes forward always. You use that shade. If you really want to get specific with shades, that's a lot deeper. You can join Manifest Now online course and go deep with using light working to manifest things so fast. Like I manifested $50,000 within 3 days. It's insane how powerful the power of light is. So you can join Manifest Now online course. The link is in the description. It basically includes all the secret to all kind of manifestations that I do, every step. And the good thing is it has monthly full moon and new moon rituals, lifetime, forever. But another good thing is that soon we're going to change the whole course based on the new energies of the fifth dimension and the new earth. If you're a person who's always worried, if you have a family member who is always worried, that worry mind, which always talks about future or past with you, always takes you away from present moments, that worry mind brings you to purple light. You're going to use purple light to charge your food. If you have a worry mom at home, you're going to use purple light to charge her food. Now, the one question everyone asks me, how do we charge our food so we can manifest money, wealth, and abundance? Obviously, as I mentioned, one of the most important parts of manifesting abundance is light working. The biggest part of wealth manifestation is full moon rituals and journaling. These are the two parts that can change your life and bring you the money so fast. However, if you feel like your energy is misaligned and you're doing everything right, but the money is not coming, this is going to help you manifest that money. And that's when you charge your food using the power of gold light. Gold light brings you the money. So as you're making the food, let's say your husband is doing a business venture and he really wants to get successful in it, or you're starting your own business, or there is a money that you're expecting for it to come, but you're nervous because you don't know if it's going to come or not. This is going to help you a lot. Using the power of gold light is going to bring that money to you before you know it. 3 times I used this method to manifest a money that I was expecting, and it worked every single time. So one time I manifested 70,000, one time 50,000, one time 30,000. It works every single time. So basically this is aligning your inside energy. Other methods align your outside energy, and together it creates that fireworks of miracles around you. So about the salad, we mixed everything as we charged it with light: cucumber, tomato, onion, and the herbs that we picked from the beautiful garden that I made outside. Now we're gonna add lemon juice. Then we're gonna use fresh dried mint powder. This is from my mom's garden and it's so magical. It's so tasty. We use this. I love a lot of mint powder, so I use a lot. You can just use it as much as you like. A lot of olive oil, and then salt and pepper. This is the Persian Shirazi salad. This goes with any kind of food, I would say. Any kind of food. I love this salad. Mix, mix, mix. Let me show you a close-up of my salad. Looks so gorgeous. Let me show it to you. This is fully charged using the power of light. Look at that. You can even feel the energy inside the food when you charge it. It's different. It's completely different than the food you eat without charging. You amplify the energies of Mother Earth in your food, and that kind of has a lot more healing powers. Even if you buy food from McDonald's, you want to charge it because that's going to take a lot of harm away from it and bring a lot of miracles to it. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to my video. Don't forget to make this salad and enjoy it. Don't forget to share this with your loved ones. This is going to help everyone improve their life. So share it with everyone you know on your social media, wherever that you can. If you share it on your social media, tag me on my Instagram. Follow me there too. We'll be friends, good friends, and we're going to be manifesting your dreams together. And if you do want to join Manifest Now online course, I love to be your personal coach for at least 6 months. Personally, we talk and we manifest your dreams together. Let's manifest together. Stay here. You're safe to manifest with me. See you next week. Goodbye.